Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Sennheiser HD202 headphones. These are excellent quality for the price. As you can see there, they're worth $29.99 from HMV in the UK. You can get these online as well. The current price at the moment is $27.99, so I thought £2 and I can have them straight away, so I thought I'd go for them straight away. So go over a few of the specs. Let me just focus you in. Sort it out, camera. Okay, so you got neodymium magnets for powerful bass-driven sound reproduction, closed on-ear headphone design, blocks outside noise, optimised for portable audio, includes MP3, iPod, iPhone and CD players. You've got a 2-year warranty with these as well, and HMV also offer a feature that is extra warranty, so if you drop it or break it or rip the cable out or something, you can replace it for $2.99, so that's an absolute bargain. Frequency response is 18 to 18,000 kilohertz. You've got a 32 ohm impedance and 115 decibels of sound pressure. Other features is 3.5mm jack. Hopefully that's focused there. 6.3 adapter plug, 3-meter cable. There's also a cable winder as well, just in case it's slightly too long, the cable. It is a very wide cable, actually, not wide, sorry, long. So yeah, it's not the shortest cable, it's not the easiest to handle, but these headphones are absolutely sound. Get it? Audio, sound. That's absolutely excellent for the price, so it's worth it, even though you will have a little bit of an extra lead. So look at this failing of an unboxing. Right, focus in again. A very loud focus noise. This is like 2.5 minutes. I'm not even open. Right, plan B. Yeah, you would have thought they would make these things so easy to open. Okay, so I'm going to probably cut this video about now, to when I actually can get it open. Okay, so right, now we're back and I have it open. So a little box that's got your cable in. Plug it on. And that's all the packaging. I don't believe there's anything in there. It's just a oh, yeah, there is. There's the cable winder in there. Let's get that junk out of the way. Oh, that's loud. And then in here we've got the cable winder, which has just dropped. It's in plastic though, so it'll survive. Yeah, these headphones, my dad's actually got a pair. So there's your cable winder. And he hasn't even gone through like 40 hours of use, which is your burn-in period, which basically gives you the greatest sound after about 40 hours. It's just like anything new, it takes a little while to kind of get used to what it's using. So he hasn't got past the 40 hours and it still sounds fantastic. So yeah, hopefully this should sound pretty beast. Okay, so on the end there you've got the 3.5mm jack there, and there's also an adapter as well if you prefer to use the wider variant. Okay, so let's have a look at the headphones themselves, finally out of the box. So you've got on the side Sennheiser HD202, battery's low apparently, so I'm going to hurry this up. Little bit of braille, which is the left and then the right as well. but they're very compact and they pack a punch for the price. So yeah, nice and sleek. So yeah, that's the Sennheiser HD202s. I may do a review on these as well in the future. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you next time.